we're welding a T joint. See this? You see this? We're running like that. Now, what the pros do is they put a little thing right there on the corner and on the other corner, so it stands up. Then you weld the thing.
Very educational.
Yeah. So we're gonna start welding.
Uh-oh, the teacher's coming.
Uh-oh.
Close the thing, fuckhead.
Are you two fucking in here again?
How'd you know?
Fuck it, can't pick it up.
Whoa.
Yeah, hold it right there. Good boy.
Good boy.
That's like shit, Chandler. That's like shit.
It's only the whole thing. Look,
Well,
look.
it still looks like shit.
Look, it's holding that. It's holding on. It's holding on. Alright, so you see this? You see this? It's like really big, like lump. I'm gonna start welding on the other side. Saying for the end of. Oh shit.
What's your name?
My name is Parker.
And what is your opinion on how Chandler welds?
He's really bad at it.
That's why I have 3 subscribers and you don't.
Oh, he really got you there.
Yeah.
I'll be there one day.
Get the fuck out of here.
You'll have to prove it to your fucking arch nemesis, Parker.
Get the fuck out of here.
I
Alright,
hate you.
cut.
Now we're gonna weld. I'll get up, so I'm gonna start welding over here.
This guy's fucking ass, bro. Oh my god.
This is better than.
What do you have to say, bro? You're fucking trash.